Mr. Partnership Advocate, former Delegate of Bar. Welcome Mr. Welcome Mr. Jatan Singh, former Vice President of Bar. Former Treasurer Senior Advocate Mr. Amshad is also welcome. Welcome Mr. Dubey. Welcome Mr. Somnath Gupta. Welcome Mr. Arora. Welcome Mr. Sanjay Kalra. Welcome Mr. Nitin Chaudhary. Welcome Member Bar Council of Delhi, Mr. Ramesh Gupta, Senior Advocate. Welcome Mr. Murari Tiwari, Member Bar Council of Delhi. Welcome Mr. K.C. Mittal, Member Bar Council of Delhi. Welcome Mr. Sumit Verma, Senior Advocate. Welcome Mr. Nizaman, Senior Advocate. Welcome Mr. Niyati. Welcome Mr. Tanveer and Uddeep to the function. Welcome Mr. Uddeep Mittal, Senior Advocate. Welcome Mr. Kavinder. Welcome Mr. Bagai, Senior Advocate. Welcome Mr. Omkar Sharma. We welcome Mr. Sanjay Sharma, President Sales Tax Bar. Welcome Mr. D.P. Singh, Senior Advocate. Welcome Mr. Rakesh Deja. Welcome Mr. J.S. Bakshi, Senior Advocate. Welcome Ms. Sonia Sharma, Advocate. We welcome former President of our Bar, Member Bar Council Delhi, Mr. Rajiv Khosla. We welcome Mr. Dilip Irani, Honorable Secretary. We welcome Mr. Vijay Sharma. Welcome Mr. Rishabh Sahu. We welcome Mr. Shashir Mathur. We welcome Mr. Kunal Sabharwal. We welcome Mr. Vijay Arora. We welcome Mr. Ajay Chaudhary, who is there with us today in the function. We welcome former Joint Secretary of the Bar, Mr. Narayan Bar. Welcome Mr. Nikhil Mehta. Welcome Mr. Shoaib Haider. Welcome Mr. Yudhri Singh Chauhan. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sharma is amongst us now. I request the members of the bar to please greet him. Welcome Justice Balveer Kishore Singh Arora. Welcome Justice Mary Pushkarna. Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the hour is here. Please welcome him. I request the honorable judges to take their seat.
We welcome Justice
We welcome Justice Jyoti Singh. We welcome Justice Saurabh Banerjee. We welcome Justice Manoj Rodi. We welcome Justice Gaurav. We welcome Justice Tara Naidu. We welcome Mr. Praveen Daya. We welcome Mr. Rahman. Ex-member executive PSCA. We welcome Justice Hari Shankar. We welcome Justice Naveen Chawla. We welcome Justice Venu Bhattacharya. We welcome the learned AMP, Mr. Chetan Sharma. We welcome Justice Neena Bansal Krishna. Welcome Justice Swankanta Sharma. We welcome Justice Amit Sharma. We welcome Justice Ravindra Dudeja. We welcome Justice Sanjeev Narula. please decongest the passage towards the dais, especially at the entry door. Welcome Justice Alu Ramandani. Welcome Justice Naresh Sharma. Welcome Justice Manoj Jain. Welcome Justice Vikas Mahajan. Welcome Justice Sachin Datta.
ये आज का है, नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं होगा। नेक्स्ट टाइम होना नहीं चाहिए, फंक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए। We don't want to come. We don't want to come.
Welcome Mr. Neeraj Maurya to the function. We welcome Mr. Aman Sarini. We welcome Mr. Singh Singh. Welcome Mr. Jasmeet Singh. The Honorable Chief Justice Delhi High Court is now amongst us. We welcome the Chief Guest of the function, Honorable Chief Justice. We welcome Justice Tushar Rao Gadela. May I now request the dignitaries to please take a chair on the dais. Justice Sharma, Justice Ravi Chawla. We welcome Justice Aleen Dayal. We welcome Justice Tejas Karya. We welcome Justice Pratik Jalan. This is Jalan, very happy returns of the day. It is Doctor's birthday today. Honorable Mr. Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay, Chief Justice Delhi High Court. Honorable Mr. Justice Pratibha M. Singh. Honorable Mr. Justice Ravi Chawla. Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma. Honorable Judges of this Court, the learned AIG Shri Chetan Sharma. Senior advocates, senior members of the bar and fellow colleagues, good afternoon. I, on behalf of the Executive Committee of the Delhi High Court Bar Association, welcome you all to today's get-together to bid farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma on your Lordship's transfer to the Calcutta High Court. Your Lordship had joined the Delhi Judicial Service in the year 1992 and was promoted to the Delhi Higher Judicial Service in the year 2003. During your Lordship's judicial career, besides presiding over courts of various jurisdictions, your Lordship has worked as the Secretary Delhi High Court Legal Service Committee, Director Cabinet's Delhi Judicial Cabinet, Registrar Vigilance, Delhi High Court, Registrar General of the Delhi High Court, and the Principal District and Session Judge of Delhi, Patiala House. Your Lordship took oath as a Judge of the Delhi High Court on 28th of February 2022. Your Lordship has spent nearly 3 years in the Delhi High Court with your Lordship's transfer now. I now request our President, Mr. Hariharan, to please welcome the Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay, Chief Justice Delhi High Court, representing him in the plant. I now request Ms. Premlata Bansal, designated Senior Member Executive, to please welcome the guest of honor, Honorable Ms. Justice Pratibha M. Singh, and present her with now. I would now request Mr. Rakesh Tikku, designated Senior Member Executive, to please welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Ravi Chawla and present him. I now request the President, Mr. Hariharan, to please welcome the man of the hour, Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma, and present him to the panel. I request Ms. Kajal Chandra, member executive 25 years standing to please welcome the learned ASD Shri Chetan Sharma and present to the stage. I now request the President Mr. Hari Haran to please address us on the occasion. Honorable Chief Justice Sri Waghai, Honorable Justice Naveen Chawla, Honorable Justice and all other judges, honorable judges for adoring this bench. Honorable Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma, as my learned secretary said, the man for today. Apart from that, all senior advocates, all members of the bar, all my friends and colleagues, many of whom are standing. Before I begin, I would like all of you to give a standing ovation to Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma. Isn't it rather strange that the moment I have become the president, I have been entrusted with this unenviable task of saying goodbye to my friends one by one. I hope it ends with this. We don't want more of you to be leaving our benches. We need you here. It's an impassioned plea that we have had enough. Number one. As far as my thoughts in relation to Justice Sharma are concerned, his journey actually began very close to mine. He is from the Campus Law Center, the 1988 batch. I happen to be from the 1987 batch, 1 year senior to her. There is a kind of similarity with me in another way. He's also fought all his battles from the trenches. He's a man from the trenches, if I could be allowed to say that, because I too started my battles on the trenches of Teesside, various district courts at that point of time. He decided to take a different path. The trenches were from the judiciary. So in this entire journey of all these years, by the time he made it here, he has made it on the dint of his hard work, on the dint of gaining experience on so many sides, that I would say that he's an accomplished man in many ways. Whether it is conflict resolution, whether it is being the registrar of this honorable court, whether it is being registrar of vigilance of this honorable court, the capacity of being the director of the Judicial Academy, the places and positions that he has been to has allowed him to gain a vast experience which probably now will be utilized by the Chartered Court of Calcutta. It is now going to fall in Calcutta's domain, essentially to utilize the experience that he has gained over all these years. Interestingly, my thoughts go back because Calcutta, otherwise, sir, is a city of joy. It is described as the city of joy in the book of Dominic Lapierre and Larry Collins, which was written long back. A city of joy which will give you joy in many ways. In terms of its heritage, it was the first capital of this country, way back, before it got shifted to Delhi during British times. Not only that, you have a culture of a very different kind that you will accost. And you also have, it's a city which essentially breeds poets, literateurs, people like Rabindranath Tagore,
who's close by in Chandigarh. There are places for you to go around because I got to know that you are interested in walking. So there are many places where you can walk around, contemplate, think. And there is a saying, there's a Bengali poem which comes to my mind, which is a kind of a Bengali anthem there, Ekla Chalo Re. So Ekla Chalo means that even when people disagree with you on some issues, you beat your path, you stand by your path. That is what that poem says. I am sure you will live up to that. There is another interesting aspect when I was thinking about this journey of yours. Our chief hails from a very interesting city as well. He comes from Lucknow. ये वाजिद अली शाह ये यहाँ के हैं, इनके नवाब थे. मेरे दिमाग में याद आता है कि उस जमाने में वाजिद अली शाह was a people's king. Across communities, he was loved. He was a poet. He was an accomplished man in many ways. Interestingly, the British thought when they were, taking over his kingdom, they decided to send him to Calcutta. So Calcutta was the place where he went. Why do I say this? Because when he went there, he recreated Lucknow in Calcutta. The palaces that he missed, the places that he missed, the cuisine that he missed, everything was recreated by him. So sir, whatever you miss in Delhi, please recreate it there in Calcutta. That will be a location for all of us. I am a vegetarian otherwise, but for non-vegetarians I can tell you this. The introduction of aloo into biryani is credited to Wajid Ali Shah when he went to Calcutta. So today, aloo, I am told, is one of the basic features of a biryani that you consume. So sir, there is occasion for you to innovate. Whatever you take from Delhi, please innovate it there in the presidential court. And they will remember that somebody came from here and brought this culture of our city there. So जाते जाते मैं sir, I decided that I will end this address with 3 lines which were written none else by Wajid Ali Shah himself when he was departing from his beautiful city. And these are immortal lines. And the lines read, दर और दीवार पे हसरत से नजर करते हैं. दर और दीवार means the place where you are. किन दर और दीवारों पे सर आपकी हसरत है? तो वो लिखते हैं, दर और दीवार पे हसरत से नजर करते हैं. खुश रहो अहले वतन, आप सब खुश रहो, हम सफर करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. आप अपनी सफर शुरू कीजिए. With all the good wishes of all of us here. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request the Honorable Chief Justice to please share his thoughts with the gathering today.
Brother Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma, my assistant within judges at this court. Shri Chetan Sharma, additional solicitor. Yeah. And Hariharan. Shri Hariharan, President, Delhi High Court Bar Association. Mr. Sachin Puri, Vice President, Delhi High Court Bar Association. Shri Vikram Singh Pawar, Secretary, Delhi High Court Bar Association. Executive members of Delhi High Court Bar Association, senior advocates, members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. Today here, Lucknow has been brought in, Calcutta has been brought in, and we are already in Delhi. So it's a confluence of 3 great historically famed cities of the country. I mean, before Delhi became our capital in 1911, our capital was Calcutta, and thereafter the entire Delhi was, I mean, the new Delhi, what you call, the Indian zone, another areas of Delhi was developed. But historically speaking, as they say, there are 7 Delhis. So this is a historical city, and this is Sharma's movement from one historical city to the other historical city, which boasts of having a chartered high court. So these chartered high courts, there are primarily 4: the presidency towns, and then Allahabad High Court in 1866. So they perhaps, in historical perspective, stand a bit different from other high courts. About Justice Sharma, I have had a very brief interaction with him. It has been only 2 months that I am here. But only one thing I would say, he comes from he comes from the district judiciary. He came to our fore here in High Court after serving the district judiciary. The importance of district judiciary, to my mind, is perhaps more than the importance the High Court and other superior courts in the country hold. For a simple reason, that I call the judges of the district judiciary to be the first gods to be worshipped. In the sense that a common litigant, if he has any grievance, if he is troubled, if he is stressed, and he has to seek some redressal, he goes to the district judiciary first. And therefore, I call the judges of the district judiciary to be the first gods to be worshipped. So he comes. Justice Sharma comes from that's the distinction. And the contribution of the judges here in the High Court coming from the district judiciary is immense. He has been here for about 3 years. And I would only wish his transition from this court to Calcutta High Court, and as told by Mr. Hariharan, the experience gained here will be better utilized at Calcutta. I extend all my good wishes to Brother Sharma and hope that he'll be shining there as well. A lot has been talked about Calcutta and Rabindranath Tagore. I would end my address today by reading a poem which is very, very dear to me, read by Rabindranath Tagore. It's a very famous poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Kindly note the lines. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth and tireless striving stretches towards perfection. The clear stream of reason hasn't lost its way into daring sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into over widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country away. That's my prayer today for the country, for this High Court, for Calcutta High Court, and also for Brother Justice Sharma. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, sir. Now I request the man of the hour, Mr. Sharma, to please share his thoughts with the gathering. I request for a standing ovation, Mr. Sharma.
Good afternoon. Namaskar. First of all, happy birthday to dear brother Deep Jana. think everything is right. Everything was coincided in such a manner that we could celebrate birthday of Justice Jala. Honorable the Chief Justice, Justice Pratibha Singh, Justice Naveen Chawla, my brother and sister judges of the dais, Learned Shri Ketu Sharma, Shri N. Hariharan, President, Shri Sachin Puri, Senior Advocate, Vice President Shri Vikram Pawar, Secretary, and the entire executive of the High Court Bar Association, senior advocates, and the entire legal fraternity. Honestly speaking, I feel that in my life some fast forward button has been pressed for the last 1 week. In fact, I had never thought to deliver this speech at this time. So I could not prepare it, but one thing I have full conviction and faith in the God, and I always say in my conversation also, "Hoye wahi jo Ram rach rata, ko kari tark bade na sa." So whatever happens, it is free this time. So I stand before this august gathering with a deep sense of belonging and gratitude as I prepare to bid farewell after having spent approximately 37 years in this institution, including around 33 years, more than 33 years in judicial service, including the district court and the High Court. I am profoundly indebted to the entire legal fraternity for their love, appreciation and support. Honestly, I have received the love, support and affection from the bar much more than what I deserve. From the day one that I joined as a magistrate of the civil judge, and this day, I had never ever had any tiff with any member of the bar, and I was only and only learned from all of them. I extend my deepest gratitude to this Delhi High Court Bar Association, and from here I also extend my deepest gratitude to all the Bar Association of the district courts, where I have spent the majority of my life. And the bar there also has always been very, very cooperative, very supportive, very respectful to me. These 7 years in fact have passed like the wind, and it feels as though it was only yesterday that I first stepped into the courts. This is a mixture of nostalgia and appreciation for the bar. The bar is an inseparable part of the justice delivery system and plays a crucial role as a major stakeholder. I have always believed that the good judgments, good laws which are laid down in the courts are basically only and only with the help, support and assistance of the learned lawyers. The relationship between the bar and bench is to be cordial, supportive and also a watchdog for each other. Whether I have worked as a principal district and session judge or registrar general of this court, there have been many opportunities for interaction with the bar. During my tenure as a registrar general, here there were many complex issues, and I must say that at that time, the then President Mr. Kirti Uppal and the Secretary, now Justice Amit Sharma and the entire bar, we had so many issues and we could solve them. And similarly, as the tenure as the principal district and session judge, when there was a corona epidemic, we could solve it, save it so smoothly only with the help of the bar, and then the chairman of the BMCC, Honorable Mr. Justice Manmohan. The love and affection given to me by the bar far exceed what I deserve. The assistance provided by the bar has not only shaped me as a judge, but also as a better human being, enabling me to contribute to the growth and dignity of this institution. I feel privileged and honored that after serving the premier institution of the district courts at Delhi and the High Court of Delhi, I have the opportunity to serve at one of the oldest High Court, Charter High Court in the country. Honestly, I feel privileged and lucky that after serving High Court of Delhi, now I am getting an opportunity to serve at Calcutta, which is full of legacy. The Calcutta High Court is renowned for its rich legacy and its significant contributions since the time of independence. The Bar Association of Kolkata holds a unique place in the country, and I am excited to serve there with the assistance of its learned members and confident that I will be able to meet their expectations. I have always believed that humility is the greatest virtue. A judge must have the ability not only to hear but also to truly listen, ensuring that litigants and lawyers leave with the satisfaction that their inspired patient need. As a student of this esteemed institution, we must continue to contribute toward making it more robust and stronger. I am deeply thankful. I must confess that I am a person of an ordinary intelligence. I don't claim and I cannot claim that I know the law, but only with the support of all of you and only with the effort of being a better human being I could start with. Today I must remember my first senior whom I joined after passing out, late Shri Kaurishankar Mathur, who greatly helped me in my initial days. I must also express my gratitude to Shri T.L. Garg, advocate, because he was the only person whom I knew when I first came to the High Court. I had the privilege, because most of the time I was in district court, there were few lawyers who were coming to the High Court. I had the opportunity of learning from Mr. D.C. Dinesh Mathur and Shri K.K. Sood. They have always been like a guiding light, and many more whose name, if I were to begin listing, would be an endless effort. Since mostly I have served in district court, therefore I may not be able to name some, but my journey in the district court has been seen by some advocates who are present here also, Shri Ramesh Gupta, senior advocate, Shri Vikas Pava, senior advocate, Shri Mohit Mathur, senior advocate, Shri K.T. Uppal, and many more who have been coming to the district courts also. In High Court on civil side, I learnt a lot from Shri Dayan Krishnan, senior advocate, Shri Rajiv Nayyar, Shri Sandeep Sethi, Shri Parag Tripathi, Shri Amit Sibal, and many more whom name I may be missing, and pardon me for that. I have really seen growing many young lawyers to be the accomplished lawyers like Mr. Siddharth Agarwal, Mr. Rashekar Rao, Mr. Jayant Mehta, and many young lawyers who have been appearing before me really give me a faith and confidence that this bar is going to be at great heights. The senior members of the bar have always been a great source of wisdom and inspiration. I may be bidding farewell physically, but I am always being here. At the end, continuing the trend set by my old friend Jatan Singh, I tried to say two lines. I tried to sing, but I may not be able to sing. संसार की हर शय का बस एक ही फसाना है, एक धुंध में आना, एक धुंध में आना। And another challenge I am throwing to you, तुम मुझे भुला न पाओगे, Thank you, Chairman.
Just want to be round of applause for this sir. Thank you so much for giving us leadership, sir. I wish you all the very best. A splendid tenure ahead. May I now request our Vice President Sachin Puri to please give the vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Mr. Justice Pratibha Singh, Honorable Mr. Justice Naveen Chawla, Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma, the man of the hour, all the honorable judges present here, my elders at the bar, senior advocates, and all my friends. Sir, हम बिल्कुल आपको भुला नहीं पाएंगे और खासकर हम आपको इसलिए भी नहीं बुला पाएंगे क्योंकि इस बात का एक आप हिस्सा रहे हैं जहाँ पर किसी को भी जरूरत थी, कभी भी आपको अप्रोच किया है तो आपने एक स्माइल के साथ वेलकम किया है और हेल्प की है। आप हमारे दिलों में बसते हैं और आई एम वेरी श्योर इसी तरीके से कैलकाटा बार में भी आप विद अ स्माइल उनके मेंबर्स को वेलकम करेंगे और उनकी हेल्प करते रहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर institution, and we have learned a lot from you. And I would also like to thank all the members present over here with the new tradition that our bar has started with the new executive committee which has come taken charge a week back, that we have changed the manner in which we host these functions. I hope you all will stand with us and be a part of this as we take this forward. Thank you everyone, and please have a nice cup of coffee today. Thank you for being here. Before we leave, one apology to Mr. Chetan Sharma, the earlier ASG, who I did not mention that I started my address, my elder brother. Sir, I apologize for that. And I request all the members who would like to be Honorable Mr. Justice Sharma, please do so. Sir, also wanted it.
Thank you.